DJA TV.
Revolution now. Force of attack. Revolution now. Revolution now. We'll take him first. Yes, this and because of COVID protocols. Hold on. They don't need to rush. Very important. Give this thing first. Can we spread, please? So do you guys have specific questions? Hold on, please. Yes. Just hold on 1 minute. Key is first. Put it.
We have to be 3 count charges against you.
As you are aware, we are not going into the charges because completely they are political charges. And it's for the lawyers to react to the charges. Even if you see a copy of the charges, you tell the story of the charges. It was so hurriedly done, they didn't even know how to spell my name correctly. They didn't put my age because there were no charges in person. This was just an attempt to continue the persecution of Sowore by the Buhari regime. So I just want to say Happy New Year because I didn't have the time to do that in Nigeria, so I was arrested. But all rest assured that the struggle continues. So tell us how you sustain this. Yes, the policemen that were brought to where they claimed the protest was taking place just pounced on people. I came out of my car because I was covering the event and told them to stop beating people, and they pounced on me and broke my nose. This was carried out by a mobile police officer who led about 5 vehicles loaded with about 7 vehicles loaded with mobile policemen well armed. It was an attempt to tell him to stop brutalizing Nigerians in view of NSAS and the position of this country right now on police brutality, that they pounced on me to broke my nose. When they took me to the abattoir, I discovered that the Nigerian government has not ended SARS. They mobilized SARS officers to also beat us up and force us into detention at abattoir, one of the notorious SARS detentions where we've been since Friday.
So what's the next now? When are you coming back?
Tomorrow, we are going to court tomorrow to rule on bail. All right. Yes, I mean to listen to the magistrate. Yes, we're also instructed to we were also instructed to ensure that we have adequate medical treatment. So they said they should send us to Kuje prison for the next 24 hours. Is it correctional center? Well, I don't agree that it's correctional. So. All right, thank you. Further in prison. Revolution! Nah. Revolution!
Where the lawyer was? Where is the lawyer?
Where's the lawyer? My lawyer. He's trying to file where are the policemen? Lawyer.
All right, revolution movement. Not yet.
Come on, Grant Sharply. Masha, come on, Grant Press. Come on, Grant Press.
Day of hot next after the rain, and that is exactly in line with the constitutional provision. We have to come to home, and we are here. And they were being charged for criminal conspiracy, unlawful assembly, and then inciting public disturbance to the extent that someone is calling that there should be a change of government. By other means, other than
DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJ TV.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ